Tre-engines here, and this is part 3 of my Trackmaster 1.0 compared to 2.0 video. So we left off in part 2 with Gordon. What I wanted to talk about Gordon was because with all the Trackmaster 2.0 stuff, they basically use the same mold for the bottom. This is the same case with Gordon. It has the same bottom part as Thomas and Thomas, Percy, and all the other toys in Trackmaster 2.0. So, you can see it's basically the same. And because it's the same, it doesn't have the name underneath like in 1.0. You can see underneath there's Gordon for 1.0. So, I think they should have the name underneath. But unfortunately they can't because they need to use the same mold for each toy / train / engine. So because of this, you can see in 1.0 and Tommy, they basically have this longer side rod, I believe it's called, made specifically for the bigger engines or trains, and it kind of goes through this right here, and I think that's a really nice inclusion for specific engines. However, in 2.0, it's just the same thing over and over again. So, that's really unfortunate. And another thing to note, because they use the same bottom in 2.0, bottom part, Gorn here still uses 2 AAA batteries. As for in 1.0 and Tommy, they use C batteries. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. In Tommy and Trackmaster 1.0, but when they do, it's in the tender, and they try to have a strong connection between the tender and Gordon, so that this part is moving and not the tender. So, but when they don't have the C batteries, they use a AA battery and put it in the boiler part here. But either way, they still use this for Tommy and Trackmaster 1.0. So it's kind of unfortunate with the new Gordon here. And and see on 1.0, I just noticed this just now, but why can't the scan focus? Okay, so you can see they have this shape right here, just sticking out for the cab. However, in 2.0, they don't have that shape right there, like in 1.0. So, I just thought that was kind of interesting, but you can see here that this is the boiler, and then that part is kind of sliding down. In 2.0, it's not really the correct size, as it is in the TV show. So, yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. So, now they basically use the same side rods over and over again for each and every one, which, again, is kind of disappointing. So, I think think that is